Are you ready for a card pull? Here we go. This is how I connect with spirit and allow things to channel through me. The miracle of nature. Thank you, angels, for helping me to reconnect through nature and fresh air. So what I feel that spirit is telling me is it's in the stillness, it's in nature, it's in the settling, and I can hear and just feel and sense spirit saying it's time to let things settle within before you can manifest. And what that means to me is that my mind sometimes goes too fast. And so I need to break the barrier and get into my subconscious and allow those dreams, those manifestations to take place. And that's what nature does for me. It settles me.